Today's project is about doing my part as a good human being to keep as much as I can out of the waste stream. Fred the cat loves his scratchers, and they go a long way toward saving the furniture. But what do we do when they're done? Chuck them in the trash? Maybe the fire pit? I'd like to avoid that. And fortunately, Fred only loves the Sisal part. He doesn't care about any of the rest of this and leaves it untouched. So, it's an opportunity to do a little bit better. Picked up this Sisal mat on the cheap, and really it probably costs about as much as the whole scratcher, but with a little bit of work I can keep this thing out of the trash can and keep somebody in China from having to make another one. I hope you'll join me for the project. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a box knife and a straight edge. I'm just going to cut this thing so that it will wrap around the scratcher. And it won't be an exact fit. There will be a gap at the bottom and the top, but Fred doesn't care. To attach it, I'm going to use an air nailer and some staples, some 1-inch staples. You could use an ordinary manual staple gun too. It'll work just as well. Okay, I used a glue gun too. Seal up this seam a little bit, keep it from fraying. I think Fred will like it, and I like it a lot. Because this is what's going into a landfill instead of this whole thing. And I can recover this way many times. So I think that's a win for the world. And I'm pretty pleased with it. Thanks for watching.